Hello, friends. It's almost the end of this year 2021, and it's time to look back and reflect on what went well in the last 12 months and what didn't work out. I came across this video by Ankur Wariku, who is one of my favorite YouTubers, and I really liked his video where he discussed his 16 best investment in the year 2021. I'm actually following the same format from his video today where I will discuss my own best 5 investments for the year 2021 under 3 headings: investment of money, investment of time, and investment of attention or focus. My first and foremost investment for this year was this YouTube channel where I invested a significant amount of time and attention throughout the year, but a little bit of money. I started this channel in January 2021 when I posted my first video, moving to UK after MDMS from India. Most YouTube tutorial videos which I followed before starting my own channel used to say that making the first video is the most difficult task for any YouTuber. But now I am surprised to see that that particular video is the lifeline of my entire YouTube channel. It has garnered almost 26,000 views. Many of my subscribers have joined this community because they found me through that video. It's not one of the best shot or best made videos on this channel, but somehow it clicked with the YouTube algorithm. A big thank you to all of you who have been following my contents and watching my video for the last 1 year. None of this will be possible without your help and your support. The YouTube algorithm rewards me if you are watching the video till the end, or hitting the like button, or commenting in the comment section below. Every small gesture of yours by which you interact with this content actually decides whether this channel will continue to grow and reach out to more and more viewers. As a gratitude from my side, I tend to reply to each and every of the comments that you post on my videos, so please keep them coming. One of the main reasons for starting my YouTube channel was to bring out the perspective of an Indian doctor who has completed post-graduation, that is MD or MS, from India and then moved to UK to explore postgraduate career options. This is not the same as most common route, that is PLAB route for entering UK. I have never worked in UK as a senior house officer and started working as a registrar from the beginning in a specialty where I have already received good training from back home. So the challenges faced by me were completely different than most IMG doctors utilizing the PLAB route. For example, I was already recognized as a specialist in India, and if I didn't enjoy working in UK, I can always return back to India and start to work as a consultant. And now, because of this YouTube channel, I am probably able to help other doctors who are in the same stage of their career which I was 5 years back. Coming to the investment of money, I use only free software for video editing. I have a Nikon camera for shooting the video, which I bought much before the YouTube channel came up. I bought a Rode microphone for approximately 50 pounds and pay approximately 10 pounds per month for a Canva subscription. Canva is an amazing online platform where you can edit, create content, and digital creatives for all online social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and many more. So if you post photographs and write in Facebook or even Instagram, create Instagram reels, you can edit your content, your own videos by using Canva. I'm going to leave the link of Canva website in the description box below. Please feel free to go and check it out. As with any investment, I'm also looking forward to getting some return from this YouTube channel. At the moment, the main return is the time, the engagement of the viewers, and of course your well wishes. I don't make any money from this channel as it has not yet reached the threshold for YouTube monetization. For monetization in YouTube, I need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. At this point in time, I have almost 2000 subscribers and 3800 watch hour. So hopefully in near future I will be able to monetize my content, and that will give me some revenue from these videos. I'm an investor in both UK and Indian equity markets for some time now. We started this year with a lot of anxiety and economic uncertainty due to the COVID pandemic. But for those who remain invested in equities during the pandemic, markets have delivered fantastic returns. I started investing in UK in April 2020, and till now I managed to get a return of approximately 13% on my total UK portfolio. I have an ISA account which is delivering me a return of 10%, and I have a LISA account that has delivered me a return of approximately 14.5%. But the greatest return was from my Indian equity investment, which is approximately 44% in last 12 months. I don't invest in real estate, but the house that I'm living, I have to pay mortgage for that, and at this point in time I own approximately 17% of the equity of this house. My next investment is investment in cryptocurrency. I have recently started investing in crypto from my Indian investment. I use my Indian savings only for investing in crypto through an app called Vault. Vault is a very popular mobile app and an extremely easy to use interface. And I'm going to provide the link for this app in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you are an NRI customer, then you will need NRO account for investing in this app. You can't do it through NRE account. I am buying Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano in this space. I am also learning about NFT nowadays, and in near future I am going to invest some of my savings in NFTs. My aim is to invest approximately 10% of my Indian portfolio in crypto and NFTs combined. My next investment was buying Spotify subscription. I started Spotify at the beginning of this year, and now I use Spotify daily to listen to songs as well as some very important and informative podcasts. I'm a big fan of Beer Biceps and I listen to their podcast regularly. Please hit the like button if you follow Beer Biceps as well, and please recommend me the names of some other podcast which you enjoy. This is a good investment of my time, my focus, as well as a little bit of money to get a tremendous amount of knowledge in return. The next investment of my time and my attention was to get some affiliate income. I managed to get a very small amount of income from Amazon affiliate program. For those of you who don't know what affiliate income is, I sometimes recommend some books or some services like Amazon Prime or some other stuff which I use personally. I will often put a link in the description box of the video so that you can click it, and when you go to the website and buy some services or some other articles, then I will receive a small commission from that, and you don't have to pay anything extra for that. Sometimes I will give you some codes for discount which you can apply while buying that product. In that case, you are not paying anything extra, but I am getting a very small commission from this sale. Thank you everyone who have used my links to buy some products, because this does give me a very small amount of financial incentive. For 2022, I will continue to keep investing in my YouTube channel, and I want to reinvest the income from my YouTube to improve the channel. Maybe to buy some good editing software and continue my Canva subscription. I have recently started collaborating with Medic2 UK to create content and advertise for their courses on this platform. These are not paid advertisements. I promote their courses because I personally think these courses are good and specifically focused on IMG doctors. There will be a free webinar for MRCPCH, MRCOG and EDIC exam in January, followed by online courses. Also, we have plans to launch MRCP PACES and PLAP2 courses in near future. Please check out their website for more information. I'm going to provide the link in the description box below. If you have plans to take any of these exams in near future, then the free webinar is going to be very helpful for you. Hopefully, you will continue to support this venture in 2022. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are planning to come to UK. Wishing you a very happy new year. Take care and stay safe.